Hi guys, thank you very much for tuning in on Slikhaar TV. My name is Emil and today I'm gonna have my hair cut short. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna make a short summer style. We're gonna make a fade in the sides and a little bit shorter on the top.
I think it's the right choice for the summer weather.
Yeah.
So let's get to it.
Yes, let's do it.
It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, gave my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today. Don't you come running back now. I'm not a home for the shame. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, gave my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage.
Alright guys, this is all for today. I got my sides trimmed and the top is shorter than it has never been for 5 years. So I really like this new summer haircut. I would like you guys to comment in the comment section down below and let us know what you think about this super short summer hairstyle. And also, you can win a gold digger wax and a Sidekick Zero. All you have to do is comment down below, share the video and like it, and of course subscribe. See you next time.